Today we're talking about TP-Link. This is the Deco P9 system. Do you have dead spots, bad Wi-Fi, buffering, loading screens, can't play a 4K video, your kids are complaining? Let's unbox it. I'll take you a little quick view of it and then we'll talk about the goodies inside. Okay, opening this big bad boy. Tear the plastic off, of course. There we are. Spin it around. Yeah. Oh. You know what? Let's just be mean about it. Ha ha ha. Strong kung fu. Oh my gosh, it comes in another box.
What in the name?
Ooh, like a cake. Ta-da! Look at that. Are those pretty? No, not me. I'm not pretty. This is pretty. Here we go. They each are very much alike. All right, first thing on the bottom, you can see the handy dandy plug. Here's your Ethernet ports too. Keep in mind you only need one to go from any one of these. One in the top goes to that switch that we talked about earlier in the other previous video. Watch that one. The second one can go to a laptop, a PlayStation 4, perhaps an Xbox. Booming speeds. You'll thank me later. Right up on top when you go to connect is the light that will indicate whether it's connected or not connected. So when you're connecting these, the first one is the most important one. The other two will automatically find each other. And then you have a mesh. When setting these up, you can use this on a first floor home. Like me, I have a ranch home. You can use it on a multi-level home. Traditional mesh Wi-Fi still run into issues if you have thick walls. This system can also use the existing wiring in your home to go bypass that and still connect. So no more worries about, oh my goodness, I've got a thick wall, my Wi-Fi isn't connecting, I've got dead spots. Not anymore. Now if they can't get a direct line of sight like most mesh Wi-Fi systems do, it can use the existing hard wiring in your home. You're gonna love it. Also with parental controls.
Parents were concerned about what website their children were on. Parental
controls allow you to set the system up to automatically turn off at certain times of the week. You can modify what website your children go to. You can monitor, you can block, you can set up usage times for little Timmy.
Damn it.
It's an investment. It's worth every penny.
You gonna give me my money?
Hi, thanks for watching the video. Hopefully you found it entertaining and it helped save you some money. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I really appreciate you watching. Hit that subscribe button down there so you don't miss any great free games or budget tech coming your way. Also, if you want to see more, make sure to click up there. Thank you for watching. We'll see you soon.